Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today we are going to solve two-step equations. This, as always, needs to be the title in your math notebook. You need to put all examples in there as well. So since this is a video and not a live, make sure that you press pause when you need some time to write things down. Okay, we're going to solve two-step equations. It will be W.8 on IXL. Now we're going to do some review problems first. So we have 1 equals m minus 1. I'll draw my river. Add 1, add 1. 2 is equal to m, or m equals 2. All right, next problem. 2 equals j divided by 2. Draw the river. Now, j is being divided by 2, so the inverse operation is to multiply by 2. 4 equals j. J divided by 4 is equal to 10. River. Multiply both sides by 4. J is equal to 40. All right, we are going to get into the new stuff. So, steps for solving two-step equations. We are going to draw the river. We're going to get rid of any number added or subtracted by doing the inverse operation. The inverse operation, we remember, is the opposite. Then we're going to get rid of anything being multiplied or divided by doing the inverse operation. And then check your answer. Okay, so here we have 3 terms. Let me write this down. 10 is equal to 2t plus 2. All right, so it's almost the opposite of inverse operation because we need to move the 2 first, the plus 2. We're going to subtract 2, and I'm left with 8 is equal to 2t. Now I'm going to divide by 2. T is equal to 4. In order to check our answer, 10 is equal to 2 times 4 plus 2. So I'm substituting it in. And yes, I see that this is 8 plus 2, which equals 10. So it is correct. Press pause if you need more time to write this down. Okay. 18 is equal to 4y plus 6. I'm going to subtract 6. 12 is equal to 4y. Divide by 4. 3 is equal to y. To check my answer, 18 should be equal to 4 times 3 plus 6. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 6 is 18, and it works. And this is where we check our answer. Okay. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. I'm going to be careful of my signs here. I have negative 5 minus 1, which is negative 6. Divide by negative 2. S equals positive 3. We're going to check our work. 1 minus 2 times 3 should equal negative 5. 1 minus 6 does in fact equal negative 5. Okay. Again, guys, the goal here is to get the B isolated. So I want to move things away from where the B is. So I can subtract 6. 2 is equal to 2b. Divide by 2. B is equal to 1. To check myself, 8 is equal to 6 plus 2 times 1. 8 is equal to 6 plus 2. Yep, that works. Good. Let's see. Let's look at number 1 here. I'm going to add 11. 7x is equal to 35. Divide both sides by 7. X equals 5. I'm going to check my work. 7 times 5 minus 11 should equal 24. 35 minus 11 should equal 24, and it does, so we're good. Okay. Number 2. Now, what I want by itself is this x. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 8. I'm left with negative 3x is equal to negative 6. Divide by negative 3. X equals positive 2. Check my work. Negative 3 times 2 plus 8 should equal 2. Negative 6 plus 8 does equal 2, so I'm good. Okay. Let's jump into number 3. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to make sure I get you an example of everything I want here. Okay, I'm going to start by x is what I want to isolate, so I'm going to add 15. X divided by 4 is equal to 2. Be careful here, that is negative 13 plus 5, so I get 2. X over 4 equals 2. I need to multiply both sides by 4. X equals 8. I'm going to check myself. Alright, so it should be 8 divided by 4 minus 15 equals negative 13. 2 minus 15 does equal negative 13. Okay. I will be back on Wednesday, so we'll go back to live videos on Wednesday. So make sure you watch this. You do the assignments. There are 2 assignments for Tuesday. Do them both. Don't get behind. Go ahead and do them on Tuesday. And again, join Wednesday for your live session. If you have any questions, send me an email.